Today is a good day because today we get to test this at the kart track. Here we go. Oh my God, this is hotter than fuck out here. Oh, I feel fast, which is scary. Oh yeah.
That was a wild way of picking that up.
First section down. It's gonna be loud here. A lot more improvement on this bike needed. I gotta change some stuff. I gotta seriously change some things. We're back at it. Night session. Here we go. It's like 110 degrees out here. But like, it's literally 110 degrees. Like it was 111 when I was driving the truck here. And now it's still just freaking hot. All right. Aha! Look at that thing go! Oh, this is the part that I love about track bikes! You can ride with your buddies and it's so cool! Don't come off! Woo! I feel like I'm too big for this bike. I feel like I'm way too big for this bike. Now we got it. Now we're getting there. I just can't with this body position. This body position is very difficult. Oh, this bike is great. Oh, this bike is great. Oh, this bike is great. So overall, this thing was awesome. God, it felt so good to be back on a car track with a dedicated supermoto. And I'm telling you, the FS, SMR, pre-built factory supermotos are so good. There's such a difference from the home-built one, like my Honda, like any other supermoto I had. It just feels so much more track-focused right out of the box. Now, of course, there's a few adjustments. I need to work on the front brake because that was a little sketchy. Got to go through all the fluids. I got to build it, which is coming up next. I got new graphics, I got new chain, I got new tires, I got new levers. I mean, a whole bunch of really cool stuff going on this bike. But I can't wait to enjoy it and ride it. It's just that pure love. And I was able to take my buddy's R3 around the track. He rode this thing. And I forgot the joy and the fun in a kart track. You're not going super, super fast. But it's just so much fun, and it's so much just turn, straight, turn, brake, accelerate. I mean, it's just constant the whole way through. You get worn out so quickly, especially when it's like 110 degrees. And riding at night is better, but still a little So I'm very happy with this purchase over an adventure bike, and I think I'll use it a lot more than I used that adventure bike. But some other things in life have to change before we start building this. And then we'll get into a whole new sector of fun. But until next time, remember to keep riding.